Alright guys, so our last year now we do reach this part where we like say we tidy the left hand side of this our design. So for this year now this other side, which is the right hand side now, we want tidy. So what we will do, we'll go run this one here for this. What the place F? This right pane for here now. So we go create we'll create class, div class, we'll call them view. So what this view go do, now this view now go house this picture of this man here. You see, now this view go house this picture of this man. Then we'll go create another div now where go house these two different parts here. So after I create view here, I'll come down, I'll say, I'll just type content. Then inside this content now, we'll get B. We'll look at make it first. This one will be view. I need to create div where go wrap these two things safe. I'm not sure. Okay, we'll create. I'll say facts. Then I'll duplicate. I go put explore. So it will happen. We say this view. We'll say then go house that picture abi. So we'll just put background, set background. Then this content now, so it house these two divs, which is facts and explore. So if we go the picture here now, this one like this now, so now the view. Then this part now, so now be facts. Why this part now be explore? So both of them now they inside another div now will be contents. You get. So if we go back to the HTML code here, inside this facts now, we'll get features. So these features now will be non-existing. Now go these features for here now. So you get now go these features. So we'll get features, then we'll call get clip. The clip now go be this big black area here. So where the house is our footage. So now come back to this part. So inside the features here, might just come down. Just after the features, I'll just say clip. So I'll leave on there first. So more work on the features. So these features now will create UL LI. So the LI we'll say H3. Then we will put this highest point here. Then this Mount Kenya and this Swahili Kirinyaga 120. So I'll just say highest point. Then I'll come down, I'll use paragraph. Then I'll type Mount Kenya, comma. I'll say it for you again. Swahili Kirinyaga Volcano Central Kenya. Okay. So I'll go back, I'll put Swahili Kirinyaga Volcano Central Kenya. Abi? Alright. So if I go my browser now or refresh, you see I see this thing there now. If we don't like this here, you're confused. Most style this picture place first. I'll come the style the CSS here. We already create this right pane now. So more come out this blue or this background color. So I'll come down. I'll target right pane view. So what's going to happen here? I'll give the width. More just make the width 95%. The reason is, you see, I'll show you the reason why we'll do 95%. Imagine ready go. We'll set the height to 80 view heights. Then we'll float onto the right. We'll set overflow hidden. Then background. We'll say URL /assets/ man.jpg. Then after we write down, we'll just put no repeats so that the picture not go repeat. So when we come down, we'll say background size go be cover. Then background position maybe center. So if we go back more, refresh now, you see how? So it happens here. Will it make this one 95% because if you see our design here, you see this small space. If we not make a 95%, I will come end to end. So we'll say 95% now, that will the float and they go the right hand side. You get now be this float will do. If we come out this float now, then we go back to the browser, we'll go refresh. See, I'll say the show for this side. But we want me to decide. Now we will float on. Okay. So now, what we go do? We go target the content now. We target the content, which is this part here. We target this content. So I'll come this place now. I'll just select this one. Then come out the view, put content. So this content will set position to relative. We'll set width to 100%. Then we'll set height to 20 view heights. Then we'll put clear both. So when we refresh now, see and say the thing that come down. You get. So now the essence of this clear boot will do, because we float the view. So we need to clear the next thing where they come with for the button. If we not clear them now, the thing will just do the up here. Let me see this is so. So if we put clear boot now, it will clear them so that it will start from the inside, which is underneath. Okay, so now more style this part here. More style this part here. So I'll do. I go target facts. Target facts, which is this one here now. There's our content. So target facts, then we'll set a width to 50%. Then we'll set the height to 44 view heights. More put background color first, more see. Background color will be black. All right. So if I go back, refresh. Did this side Abby? Okay, did the back. So we need to push and come front. So do good do. We will set position to absolute first. We'll see. Refresh. Then we'll set z index to we'll say 99, a higher number. So if we refresh, height 44, view height, right pane, facts. Why this thing not increase? Let's see. If 80 view heights, this one, okay, we'll come down, we'll set bottom to 0, refresh. Okay, so what did happen before? The thing they push, they go down, like as I'll explain now. So when we never put this bottom 0, it actually the cuts. It's set down to 44 view height too, but then at the top now, the many part now, the cuts come down. You see, the cuts come down. You get. So when we go set bottom to 0 now, it push and come up back. You get. So it makes things start from the bottom. So any height what we add now, it counts the eyes they go up. You know the count them they go down. You get. So we'll put on bottom 0. So anytime we'll add heights now, the thing will just increase, they go up. You get. It will increase, they go up. But if we come out now, those as we come out with the increase the height now, the thing will just the long, they go down. You get. But this one now, they increase, they go up. So, and this is only possible because we make position absolute. Get. So that's for that. So we'll target, we'll just set font size or font family. We'll set font family. So this time we'll have to use poppins. So we'll use Mada. So Mada sans serif. Okay. Then we're going to set padding now. So say make the top be 100 pixel. The left will be 0 pixel. Top right. Okay, right will be 0 pixel. While the bottom will be 60 pixel, then the left will be 0 pixel. Okay. So now I would all run this one. We'll refresh. Nothing, but you can see the changes soon. So what we want target now, or what we want to rather, we want start to the style all these things. So we don't do right hand, but it did there now black, so we need to style them. So before we style, we first target these features. After we target these features now, then we'll start to work on all these things inside, which is a list and the H3 and the paragraph. So I'll copy this one. Facts.features. Then I'll set position to relative. I will put the width. The width could be 250 pixel. We'll just set color to white. Then we'll set display block, then margin could be 0 or 2. So what we'll do is say, since we set width now to 250 pixel now, it go align go the left hand side. So put margin 0 also now, it go carry the contents now come middle. You get, so I'm gonna be this content in the middle. If we not put on now, all this content I go align come somewhere here. So if I go back refresh, let's see. You see the items now. You see them. If I go back, see I'll say this side. But when I put the margin 0 auto to centralize, it don't can record the window. The window. Okay, so we don't target features now. We'll target the list item. So I'll come down, then UL, LI, we see list style, come on the bullets, none, then margin bottom to like 45 pixel. Also we're going to need to space the list items then. You get, so we'll target the H3 now, then we'll set the font size to like 1.2 rem. Font weight will be 600, while the margin bottom will be 6 pixel to space the H3 from the paragraph up for there. We'll set font size for this one to Poppins. Sans serif. Why not give me suggestions today now? Just I write and well so. They give me suggestion that year. Font family. No wonder not give me suggestion. Now see. Smartness. So font family Poppins. But not color ammo. Other ones all do for the color now. See now the color now. I will copy this thing. No, yes, my I'm not done way. Let's see why not color. See I miss this thing. All these things here. Okay. So without this one as sans serif. My refresh. Okay. Highest points. I'll do this one like this. So we need to target the paragraph now. See the text be now. It's different from what they get here. Different from what they get here. So do go do. Duplicate this one. Then put P. Okay. So I'll put P. I need to cancel this thing safe. No. Font size. We'll see the 1.2 rem. Font weight could be 200. Then I remove this one. If both of them get the same font size, so we take up the essence of duplicating this code now. So into the checker for this queue. Wait till if you do more just test and first, yeah. If you work, we'll set the list item now, make the font size be 1.2 rem. But sometimes, yeah, it's good to just target the H3 and the paragraph, put your font to. But anyhow, shiny you do your stuff. Nothing do you. You work now. So more leave it like that because the lesser the code to the lighter the file. So more leave it like this. Alright, so we don't get this paragraph. I say paragraph, we don't get this styling. So if you just duplicate this one, you see, duplicate this one to like did the right TSF? Biggest Lake Victoria with 83 milli the 3M, it's deepest. So we'll just step on now. Biggest lake. Lake Victoria. With 83 m, it's the deepest. Okay, we'll see. I'll refresh. I'll get the item. So the next one we'll do, we want add this see more facts now. We want add this see more facts. So we'll go do it just after this UL. We'll put anchor tag. Then we go put span. This span will just say see more facts. Then notice this icon where they here. We'll go grab and take from iron icons now. So that icon is supposed to be remove, which is this one. So I'll just come here, I'll copy this code here. I'll go back, I'll paste them here. So if I refresh now, we'll see. We'll get them here. So we'll just tie this in sharp. So what I'll do, I'll duplicate this code. Right? I'll target features anchor tag. Features A. So it will happen. We go set the color first. #FFF. Then text transform. So uppercase. Text decoration to none, so that we're going to remove the underline where they there. Letter spacing to like 5 pixels. Then font size to 0.8 rem. So most do get I'll refresh. Okay, see more facts. Let's see. This one idea fine password. And even did down safe. This one's supposed to push come up small. Okay, we'll separate that one first. We'll target the span here. Then we'll say margin left to like 10 pixels. So I'll go back, refresh, it does separate, right? But if you look at this one, they up small. So you need to be centralized. I don't know if you see how way. This one they up small. So you need to centralize. So flex go around that one now. What we'll just do, come here, we'll say display flex. Then we just align the items to center. Okay. Oh, okay. Now the picture safe. I can refresh. This is my image here. Don't see me. That will resemble. Okay. So if you look at me, this one go up small. What we go do? We're not going to use padding or anything push out. We'll come here. We'll say position absolute. Then we'll set bottom to 0. I'll refresh. Okay. So wetin we dey do now? You know what? Mark come this thing back. Mark come back. Go refresh. Leave it like this first. I want more just design all these ones for here. More design all these ones, this popular type. So that means we need to increase this thing, go up. You get? So it will go do. Where that place will open 44 view heights. More just set onto like 100 view heights first. Okay. So now we'll set on 100 view heights now. See, I say this one push go up, abi? Alright. So what we go do? We'll come back, we're gonna comment this one. You know, see come down. Position absolute, bottom 0. Why? I can inspect this thing first. Inspect. Features. Features not get heights. Someone set height to like 100% first. Okay. No wonder. 100%. So I'll go target features for this place now. We'll set the height to 100%. Or facts now in itself. 100 view height. If you put inherit, it's not supposed to work. We'll leave on 100%. So I'll refresh now. We don't get these see more facts here. So by the time we do the just we'll click now. That's another thing we can change. Now that's another going to change to this X. So when we click, it could change to that X, then it go expand, come up. Thing go expand. So more just tidy this video not too long. So more just tidy this this part. So we will create 2 more lists. So I'll just do. I'll come this place. I'll duplicate this one. So it's the right here. Popular tribe. Masai even do the Kikuyu, make 20% population and Kenya's largest and most influential tribe. So I'll come this place. I'll type popular tribe. Then we'll say the Masai, even though the Kikuyu make up 22% of the population and Kenya's largest and most influential tribe. Alright. 22% of the population and Kenya's largest and most influential tribe. Okay. Then the next one, video inside this place. So do go do inside this our list. Just before the H3, we'll create new div. Then we'll say footage. So this footage now, it will get play button. So create new class now. Play button. Then inside we'll get play button. So I'll just copy this iron icon here. I'll put I know it's somewhere. Just put play. Go work. Okay. So more refreshers, most of don't get so far. If I refresh now, we don't get this one. We'll just get the play here. So we'll style this content now for us to get this picture where they went inside this place. They get so play 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 button. So this place will change it from biggest link to the Maasai tribe, just a footage of Maasai men. Alright, so I'll put the Maasai tribe, then I'll come down, select this one, just a footage of Maasai men. Alright, so now I'll go to my style now. We go target to the target here. We'll target anchor tag. Okay, we'll just guys want go down small. So just after this paragraph here now, we'll target the footage. Then the width will set them to inherit. So once that's to inherit now, you go inherit that 250 pixel select, which is this one. You go inherit this 250 pixel. So we'll set width to inherit, then height to like 150 pixel, background URL. So // asset / Maasai, then no repeats. So the next thing, we'll set background size to cover. So most of it will get so far. Okay. So we'll just say background size to cover now. We'll see. We'll curve here. Carry this one come in the middle. So we'll set border radius to like 4 pixel. 4 pixel. Then background position center, margin bottom, so that you go space them with that text where that place there to 24 pixel. Then display flex, once centralize that button, so align items to center, then we justify the contents to center. Okay, so if we refresh now, every time, oh, I'll be like bicycle. So I'll refresh this place now. We don't get this one for this middle here now. You get. So what we need to do, we need to target this play button itself, because I'm going to be the round circle. You get. So I'll just copy this one. Dot footage, then dot play button. So what we'll do, we'll set the width to like 55 pixel. Then we set the height to 55 pixel. Then background color will be white, while we'll see put border radius. So make a perfect circle now. We'll just come before now 50%. Then we'll set display flex, because we're going to need to centralize the icon inside the container there. So I'll just copy this thing, because now basically it's into one type here. So align and center, justify content center. Then when we hover on the mouse, I'll make sure that and so cursor pointer. Alright. So if I go back and I refresh now. Okay. See Mara. The button are white, so we need to make them black. Okay, I'm gonna just target some now. If we set color safe, suppose affect and direct now. So we'll see. Yeah, affect on. Alright, so we'll all tidy this one now. So now when we click on this CMOS factor, I think it's supposed to expand come. So we'll change it back to 44. Where that place? We'll see as it go be first. Well, just now. Yeah. We'll jump to 44. So we jump to 44. Refresh. Okay. See more facts. They said this one say that they show. It sounds like they show. So okay, what did happen? This video too long. We'll go end this one here. Then the next tutorial or the next video, I'll just continue from here and I'll show now how we'll tidy this one part. So in the meantime, like the video, subscribe. I'll see you later from top of big tank, and I'll see you for the next video. Thank you.